Yo, what is good, everyone? It's AK Trades here. I'm back with another trade recap of the day. Today is Monday, 30th March. I'll be going over how I made. How much I make? Sheesh. How I made 166.5 on the day. So, 166 times 2. How I made $332 on the day trading the Nasdaq. That's good. Two trades I ended up taking, one loss and one win. Let's get into it. So, going into the day, let me clear. Going into the day, we had this unfilled 4-hour gap, which was my draw. Boom. As of now, we are super yes, we came into EQ of this range, so that's all we need. We are super overextended to the upside. We have this 1-hour gap right here, which was unfilled at that time. However, if I drop down in 50 minutes, so we're bullish. This current price leg is bullish. However, overall we're bearish and we tapped into EQ of this range. So I'm just going on current price action. We are bullish. However, this is an unfilled 15 minute. However, we got a 50-minute fair value gap up and push displacement away. Then, this was my draw. 4 unfilled was my draw as well as data highs was my draw. Cool. So if we are bullish, then this 15-minute gap, we're basically forming higher highs and higher lows. So this is a higher low. This is protected as in higher highs and higher lows. And this is the 15-minute fair value gap tapping, and we got displacement away from it. So we got the 9:30 a.m. SMT, and we got displacement away from it. So assuming that this is our protected point of price, because now it's a 15-minute fair value gap tapping, and we would continue to deliver here. This is my trade. That's pretty much my trade. With the protected stop loss, I knew that if we come here, that means our trade idea is invalidated, and this 50-minute fair value gap tap in is now my catalyst to look for shorts. So, as I've said before, I like to have my stop loss at a place where if it hits my stop loss, I know it's in the reverse direction. So what do? I end up getting a shittier fill, but this is my trade down to this 1 hour unfilled. So 50-minute fair value gap happen because it is our protected and we're trying to make higher highs and higher lows. The second we come down here, that means that we need to consider that we might not continue the uptrend, because otherwise this higher low should have been protected, and this higher low is right here with an SMT and displacement away. So as soon as we came here, then boom, this was what I was targeting right here, which was a 1 hour unfill, and that's pretty much what I took right here. You see, first trade 265 loss, second trade 431 win. So that's pretty much it, man. Two trades. I definitely could have gone break even. I could have held for this LR, which I saw right here. This probably would have been more ideal, but I didn't see anything. We just kept dumping. Maybe we could have expected. I wanted to retrace the EQ, didn't get it. Then we're chopping around. I don't want to indulge myself with chop. So pretty much these are two only trades I end up taking. Again, protected stop loss, and this is my catalyst for shorts. Bearish reaction sweeping the highs. Catalyst, we took out a protected point of price. Could draw liquidity the other direction. That's pretty much it in these two trades. Uh, Hope you guys learned something new. Thank you guys, and see you in the next one. Peace.